If homework ends in tears before the first problem, there's a brain habit at work. The brain quietly underrates its own ability and quits early. This matters because underrating leads to anxiety, avoidance, and I can't spirals, even when the child actually has the skills. Here's the science. Researchers linked this underrating, called negative global metacognitive bias, to heavier mood symptoms. With training, people judged their abilities more accurately and their symptoms eased. Stay with me and I'll show you a simple 3-step routine to recalibrate your child's confidence at homework time, starting tonight. What is this bias? Imagine a foggy mirror. The reflection looks weaker than you really are. The brain guesses, I'm worse than I am, so effort feels pointless. That mismatch, real skill versus low self-rating, is the villain. Fix the rating, and effort comes back. In the study, after structured cognitive training, self-judgments became more accurate and mood improved. Translation for parents, we can train calibration at home. So, how do you break the habit when the worksheet hits the table? Here's the 3-step anti-doubt routine. Use it in 10 minutes or less. Step 1. Predict. Ask, on a scale from 1 to 5, how hard will this be? And how many can you get right? Write the prediction in the corner. If the number is low, say, let's test that prediction with just 2 problems. This turns fear into an experiment, not a verdict. Step 2. Chunk. Set a 2-minute timer. Do 2 problems only. If stuck, shrink again. Read the question out loud, circle the verb, do the first tiny step. Give 1 cue at a time, keep your voice steady, let the child do the writing. Step 3. Check. Ask, what actually happened? Compare result to the prediction. You guessed 6 out of 10, but you got 2 out of 2 here. That means your brain underrated you. Mark a green check on a mini scorecard. That tiny correction is the medicine, calibration. Confidence follows proof, not pep talks. Build a confidence scoreboard. Each day, log 3 things: prediction, result, and 1 sentence of evidence. Like, I solved the hard story problem. 5 days of evidence beats 1 tough night. Use these quick scripts. I hear the I can't voice. Let's test it with 2. Which tiny step unlocks the rest? What did we learn from comparing the prediction and the result? Avoid the motivation killer. Over-coaching. Praise effort and strategy, not speed. 1 cue, then silence. End the session on something they can do well. Keep sessions short, 8 to 12 minutes. Stop while there's still a win on the page. Momentum beats marathons. Level up with a teach back. Ask your child to teach you the step they just learned. Teaching locks in calibration. If emotions spike, take 3 slow breaths, sip water, then restart with the tiniest next step. Regulation first, then effort. Between homework days, sprinkle 3-minute thinking reps, quick puzzles, memory patterns, or sequence games. Keep it playful and winnable to reinforce accurate self-rating. Bottom line, the habit is not I'm bad at math. It is my brain underrates me. Calibrate the guess and effort returns. Say it with me, calibrate, don't catastrophize. Subscribe for more science-backed parenting tools.